get this eke down, get this broke up. Might be able to get 2 bows out of it. I'll just have to. Hey y'all, I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm going out for a little stroll in the woods and doing a little scouting, looking for a good hickory tree to make maybe a little bit of bow wood and stuff, and just, you know, kicking around, stomping in the woods, and whatever comes my way along the way. So, hey, y'all come on, hang out with me in the river, jump my pocket, let's go. Let's get this done. Alright, y'all, I'm just going out for just a little walk in the woods looking for some bow wood today, and I thought I'd stop and get me a little lunch while I was out walking around. Just a little tool through the woods today, nothing major, just enjoying the great outdoors, looking a little scenery, and I got some summer sausage with me. I could have just sliced it off and ate it cold. I've done that before, but I figured I got the time, I might as well go ahead and build a little fire and heat it up. It always tastes a little better to me heated up, so I figured I'd just get some of this prepared and go from there. While I guess I'll get my stuff ready while this is burning down a little bit, and start getting me a little coals. Like I say, I'm just cooking a little sausage, so I'm not looking at getting no big major fire here. Just enough to heat the skillet a little bit. Because everything's better in lard. I have one in my bag right now. Alright, let's drop these in here. Yeah, I think that's enough. My friends know that I've been just kind of experimenting with this page. This has been kind of a new endeavor for me, and a lot of this has been learning to film, learning to edit videos, learning to, you know, I've messed around outdoors my whole life and I know a lot about it, but and I've done this stuff my whole life, but figuring out how to get it together for y'all on a video and try to share it with other people is a different story. People think of going outside and going outdoors that you got to have this big old backpack and you got to have all this gear and all this different stuff. And as you can see, I've got just a little minimal stuff just to fiddle around with a day. I made a quick meal. I've got enough sausage that I can cook another meal later if I needed to, if I ended up wanting to stay in the woods tonight. Canteen of water, a little bit of cooking stuff is all you need if you know how to do it. It's just a matter of learning the skills, and I've said before, I've always been a little bit of a skill monkey, so it's right up my alley. Oh yeah, I hit the spot. I get this heat down, get this broke up, make sure that's out all the way, and get this looking like it did when I got up here. We'll carry on and see if we can't find a bow staff. And that hit the spot as good as much as the daggum sausage did. It's hot out here yet today, y'all. It has done got summertime. All right, let me get this broke up. Oh yeah. And a little bit of spread some stuff out. Yeah, I can make something out of this one. It started to rain on me a little bit. Weatherman wasn't calling for this today. It hadn't got bad yet, but with this weather being like it is, I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this thing cut. Get out of here, if you know what I mean. Brought my folding saw. I hadn't used this on this particular saw on anything this size yet. I'm really not sure exactly how this thing's gonna, how good it's gonna do, but one way to find out, right? Let me move y'all a little bit. Don't want to get nothing on y'all. All right, might have been able to get another one out of that, but there's a lot of knots in that. I've got a feeling that that's not going to cooperate with me on that next section up. All right. Now, I'm fixing to try to get this and get back to the truck before this rain gets any harder and not get any wetter. But hey, we got some bow making material now. Good enjoyable day in the woods, and according to how this splits out, I might be able to get 2 bows out of it. I'll just have to see. But if I don't get any more film on going, it means the rain got going good, and I was hightailing it trying to get to the truck. So if you like this kind of content, let me know, comment, like, subscribe. I'm gonna do some more knocking around in the woods over the next couple of months and just see what happens. I'm waiting on hunting season to get back going, so it kind of is what it is right now. I always try to do a little bow making, do a little bit of other stuff in the meantime. But hope you enjoyed it. Y'all take care. God bless. I'll see you on the next one.